Alright guys, quick pocket dump. Haven't done one for a while. This is what I'm carrying at the moment. We got a nice Spyderco Your Jumbo, and this is in CPM S30V. Beautiful knife, love these things. 4-inch blade, Wharncliffe blade, droppy shot. And one of my new favourites, the Gerber Mansfield. Nice micarta handle on this, sway back design, half stop. And we got a 3-inch D2 steel blade, and with that nice Scandi grind. And this is basically my work knife. This does most of the work in my pockets at the moment. Yeah, cool knife. And we got a little case copperhead here. Lovely little thing. And we got that red stag antler on here. Really pretty little knife. Clip point. Nice little clip point. For a small knife, really feels pretty comfortable in the hand. And it also has a little pen blade. So, and the cant on that is real nice too as well. Really useful working little knife. So this is what I'm carrying, guys. Let me know in the comments what your favourite carriers are these days. Mine changes all the time. Alright, there we go. That's what I'm carrying. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you later. Later.